Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Agrico's World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important questions related to soil chemistry, which have been asked in many of the competitive exams. Now, let's get into the video. Here we are with our first question. The variable charge is also called as pH dependent charge. In which type of colloids surface tension and viscosity is similar to dispersion medium. In lyophobic colloids, the surface tension and viscosity is similar to dispersion medium. Migration of colloidal particles under the influence of electric field is called as caterophoresis. Caterophoresis is the migration of colloidal particles under the influence of electric field. The pH value at which minerals has no charge is called as isoelectric point or zero electric charge. If the valency of ion increases, diffusion double layer thickness will decrease. The mineral in which two tetrahedral and one octahedral sheet form the crystal unit is known as 2:1 type of mineral. In 2:2 type of mineral, two tetrahedral and one octahedral sheet form the crystal unit. In kyanite mineral, crystal units are linked with each other by strong hydrogen bonds. Lignin theory was given by Waxman. Waxman gave the lignin theory. Lignin theory is related to which of the following? Lignin theory is related to formation of humus. PE concept was given by Silin. pH concept was given by Sorensen. PF concept was given by Schofield. Two molecules that have same chemical formula but are images of each other are called as isomers. Isomers are the two molecules that have same chemical formula but are the images of each other. Global warming potential of methane is 21 and that of carbon dioxide is 1. Inverse yield nitrogen law was proposed by Wilcox. The law of minima was proposed by Liebig and the law of limiting factors was proposed by Blackman. Alkali metal with highest melting point is lithium. Lithium is the alkali metal which has highest melting point. pH dependent charge is not exhibited by goethite. The ratio between activity and concentration of a substance in solution is called as activity coefficient. Activity coefficient is the ratio between activity and concentration of a substance in solution. Which of the following mineral is weathered product of micas? Vermiculite. Example of fine grain mica. Light and glauconite are the examples of fine grain micas. Natrite belong to 1:1 type of mineral. Zinc availability is more in which type of soils? In acidic soils, the availability of zinc is more. Nitrogen present in waterlogged soils in the form of ammonical form. The color of permanently reduced zone is bluish green. The permanently reduced zone have bluish green color. Loss of native organic matter through the application of fresh organic residues is called as priming action. Priming action is the loss of native organic matter through the application of fresh organic residues. Humus types are more, mortar, and mole. More, mortar, and mole are the types of humus. C/N ratio of farmyard manure is 100:1, and the C/1 ratio of humus is 10:1. That of sawdust is 400:600:1. Mammalian factor is 1.724. It is used to calculate organic matter from organic carbon. Organic matter is equal to organic carbon into 1.724. The carbon content in organic matter is 58%. In organic matter, organic carbon is 58%. The following micronutrient available in alkaline pH is molybdenum. Molybdenum is a micronutrient that is available in alkaline pH. The following humus fraction is widely distributed organic material on earth. Humic acid is the humus fraction that is widely distributed organic material on earth. Equivalent weight of calcium carbonate is 50. Calcium carbonate has an equivalent weight of 50. Liquid in gas is called as fog. Fog is liquid in gas. Colloidal solutions are also called as salts. Heat insulating mineral is vermiculite. Vermiculite is the heat insulating mineral. Chlorides belong to phyllosilicates. The smallest repeating unit of a crystal lattice is called as unit cell. Unit cell is the smallest repeating unit of a crystal lattice. In which type of colloids the surface tension is lower and the viscosity is higher than dispersion medium? In lyophilic colloids, the surface tension is lower and the viscosity is higher than the dispersion medium. Surface area of clay particles can be measured by using cetyl pyridinium bromide. Cetyl pyridinium bromide is used to measure the surface area of clay particles. The sources of negative charge in silicate clays are exposed edges, isomorphous substitution, and anionic exchange are the sources of negative charges in silicate clays. The main source of negative charge on 2:1 type of clay mineral is isomorphous substitution. The charge development on organic colloids is mainly pH dependent. By adding lime, the ion exchange will be decreased. The ion exchange will be decreased by adding lime. Main source of cation exchange capacity among the following is isomorphic substitution. Isomorphous substitution is the main source of cation exchange capacity. Chemical bond formed by mutual sharing of electrons between two atoms is called as covalent bond. Covalent bond is a chemical bond that is formed by mutual sharing of electrons between two atoms. The pH at which availability of plant nutrients is more is 6.5 to 7.5. 6.5 to 7.5 is the pH at which the availability of plant nutrients is more. pH value of alkaline soils is more than 8.5. The alkaline soils have pH of more than 8.5. The following is not related to diffusion double layer. Fixed layer is not related to diffusion double layer. 1:1 mineral is also called as dimorphicals. Dielectric constant of water is 81. Father of soil chemistry is Thomas. Father of soil sciences V.V. Dokachau. Father of Indian soil sciences Leader. Father of agriculture chemistry is Liebig. He also proposed the law of minima. To keep in touch with us, you can also follow our WhatsApp group, and the number is displayed on the screen. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Agricos World.